Are you ready to reel in the big one? If you're serious about bass fishing, and let's face it, who isn't, the right rod can make all the difference between a legendary catch and a big ol' empty hook. Join us as we dive into the world of the best bass fishing rods, where we'll not only help you choose your trusty sidekick, but also sprinkle in some fishing wisdom and a few laughs along the way. Grab your tackle box and let's get hooked. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below, and make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the KastKing Perigee 2 spinning and casting fishing rod. When you're looking for a reliable fishing rod that won't break the bank, the KastKing Perigee 2 spinning and casting fishing rod could be just what you need. Ideal for anglers on a budget, this rod offers impressive features that enhance your fishing experience. Compared to models like the ugly Stik GX2, the Perigee 2 shines in sensitivity, allowing you to detect even the faintest bites. Despite its affordability, you might find that it checks all the boxes in terms of power, sensitivity, and lightweight design. It's engineered to deliver performance while keeping your expenses low, making it a tempting option for both novice and seasoned fishers. However, it's essential to consider its durability. While the rod excels in several areas, you might encounter issues after a few weeks of use. Some users, including myself, have experienced problems, such as the rod tip breaking and guides coming loose. This is not uncommon in budget rods, but it's something to be aware of if you're planning on frequent fishing trips. Before making your decision, think about your fishing style and frequency. The KastKing Perigee 2 offers great value, but if you're looking for long-lasting durability, you might want to weigh it against other options. Remember, your fishing experience should be enjoyable, and selecting the right gear is a crucial part of that. With the right choice, you'll be ready for countless successful outings on the water. At number 4, Abu Garcia Veracity Villain 2 Casting Fishing Rod. The Abu Garcia Veracity Villain 2 Casting Fishing Rod is your ultimate companion for bass fishing adventures. When you choose the Veracity, you're selecting a state-of-the-art rod engineered to handle any bass you encounter, all while being the lightest option in its class. From the moment you pick it up, the premium craftsmanship is evident. The guides are constructed from titanium alloy, renowned for its exceptional corrosion resistance, ensuring your rod withstands the elements. The handle, made from a blend of cork and ethylene vinyl acetate foam, guarantees comfort even during those long days on the water, while providing a secure grip that helps your technique shine. The sensitivity of the graphite material is where this rod truly excels. It allows you to feel every nibble, from the faintest pecks of smaller bass to the decisive strikes of larger catches. You might be surprised to discover that its power rating doesn't fully capture its strength. I've found it to exceed expectations, giving you confidence that even the toughest bass won't escape your grasp. This unique combination of sensitivity and durability makes the Veracity an incredibly versatile rod. Whether you're targeting trophy-sized bass or waiting for a light bite, you can trust this rod to deliver exceptional performance. Step onto the water with the assurance that whatever bass takes your bait, you're fully equipped to reel it in and make lasting memories. Embrace your fishing journey with a rod designed to elevate your experience. Number 3, we have the Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod. The Ugly Stik Elite Spinning Fishing Rod is your new go-to companion for every fishing adventure. If you're in search of a lightweight yet robust fishing rod that's easy to carry to your favorite spots, this rod should be at the top of your list. Don't let its compact design mislead you. This rod boasts impressive strength and fighting capability. We've tested it against some hefty catches, and time and again, it has proven its mettle, demonstrating that it can handle fish that initially seemed too large to reel in. What makes the Ugly Stik Elite truly special is its versatility. Whether you prefer baiting a hook with a worm for a quiet day of fishing or casting lures for an exciting challenge, this rod adapts to your style seamlessly. You'll appreciate how perfectly it balances in your hand, allowing for hours of comfortable use without fatigue. As you embark on your next fishing trip, consider how the Ugly Stik Elite enhances your experience. It's designed with the angler's comfort in mind, making it a joy to use, no matter the fishing technique. When you choose this rod, you're not just getting a piece of equipment, You're investing in countless memorable moments by the water, reeling in fish, and making lasting connections with nature. Let the ugly Stik Elite be part of your fishing journey, where it will truly shine time and time again. At number 2, Plusinno Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod. When you're on the quest to reel in that trophy fish, the Plusinno Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Rod becomes your reliable companion. Designed with the modern angler in mind, this innovative rod collapses to a compact 17.5 inches, making it incredibly easy to transport. When you're ready to cast, it extends seamlessly to an impressive 5 feet 11 inches, all in just a matter of seconds. You'll appreciate the sensitive feel and excellent balance this rod offers, even when navigating tricky waters. With the Plusinno, you can easily detect your lure's movements and feel those subtle bites, ensuring you won't miss out on any opportunities. Durability is key for any fishing gear, and this rod delivers. While it may weigh a bit more due to its robust metal components, this added strength means it's built to withstand the test of time with proper care, making it an investment you can trust on every fishing adventure. Imagine exploring remote locations, all while knowing your trusty Plusinno rod is ready to perform. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, its thoughtful design caters to your needs and enhances your fishing experience. So pack your gear, hit the water, and let the Plusinno fishing rod elevate your time spent fishing. With this rod in hand, you're not just casting. You're engaging in a deeper connection with nature and the thrill of the catch. And finally, the number 1 of our list, St. Croix Triumph Travel Spinning Rod. The St. Croix Triumph Travel Spinning Rod stands out as a top choice for avid anglers seeking versatility and performance. If you're someone who appreciates the subtlety of fishing, you'll find that this rod enhances your experience, allowing you to detect the faintest bites and seamlessly set the hook. What truly sets the Triumph apart is its remarkable casting capability. You'll notice its ability to reach further distances and deliver accurate casts, which can significantly improve your chances of landing that prized catch. For those who love to explore new fishing locations, the Triumph Travel Rod breaks down into 4 compact pieces, fitting snugly into a convenient travel case. This feature makes it incredibly easy to transport, whether you're headed to a nearby lake or embarking on an adventure into the wilderness. You'll appreciate the cork composition of the handle, which not only provides a nostalgic and comfortable grip, but also contributes to the rod's overall balance. This thoughtful design ensures that you can fish for extended periods without discomfort, making your time on the water more enjoyable. Incorporating the St. Croix Triumph into your gear means investing in quality and reliability. As you embark on your fishing journey, this rod will serve as an excellent companion, ready to enhance your angling adventures. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Triumph will help you connect deeper with nature and make every fishing trip memorable. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which bass fishing rod you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.